meeting is being recorded.
Malakas pa ulan sa inyo, sir?
Sa ngayon, hindi pa.
Hindi pa ba?
Pagdating pa lang daw.
Sa amin din, parating pa lang. Signal number 4 yata sa atin po no? Sa Metro Manila tsaka Region 3.
Hindi ako sure kung 4 or 3. Pero ano yun yung worry ng mga kaibigan kong meteorologists, ulan
Ay, ulan po, no? Deluge.
Kasi ang sabi niya na at least yung yung iniisip na posibleng super lakas na dala ng ulan.
Ay, nako.
So, ang problema talaga baha. Although malakas yung hangin.
Opo.
Yun din yung prediction kasi umabot na ng tinatrack din nila Pero ano yun yung ano talaga sa atin baha rin
Baha rin po.
Baka parang undoy na. Di ba yung undoy hindi naman ganun kalakas in terms of yung hangin.
Opo,
pero yung baha.
Yung pong undoy, doon po pinanganak si Joshua Year ng undoy.
Kos may sin.
Ang dami pong ngayon nagtatry mag-hack na po. Kaya nagpalit-palit kami po ng mga kasi may mga nag-attempt sa amin po.
Tapos dyan, yung sign of X, pwede mong i-treat sa constant So, pwede lumabas ng limit. Ayan. Yung book, hindi nila, ang ginawa nila ay tingnan lang yung graph para i-suggest na reasonable na yung derivative ng sine at cosine. Ganyan. Kasi, hindi pala ini-expect yung argument using limits or at least yung na what happens when epsilon goes to 0. Okay, so yung next, yung practice now. So chapter 13, practice now. Check ko lang yan. Lista. Okay, so practice now 1. Okay, pwede patingin ng ang nakuha mong yung solution mo dyan. Okay. Oo nga pala, space. Before you do that, before na yung pag-usapan yan, balik ka dun sa derivation ng sine at cosine. Yung next ay ganito. How do we know na yung derivative ng tangent of x is secant squared? So, kung naman yung derivative yung tangent of x.
Product po.
Ano yan?
Yung product po ng...
Patingin ng show it to me na yung derivative ng tangent must be secant square. tingnan mo yung transition, recheck mo lang kasi hindi lumalabas yung i-expect natin, di ba? So may somewhere may mistake.
Cosine.
So tingnan mo yung sa taas.
Sine. Cosine. Pass. Okay, so cosine.
So secant squared of x. Okay. Tapos may mga ano yan eh. May mga so let's just work out yung mga yung additional derivatives ng iba. So may tangent. Ano yung derivative ng cosecant?
I think meron yata pong problem, sir. Dito. Okay.
Sige. So how do you get the whole yan?
Quotient rule. No. Quotient rule is for lahat naman po other than sine cosine.
Tiga Quezon City po eh, sir?
Caloocan, sa Caloocan, sa South Caloocan. At least medyo yung lugar namin medyo mataas eh. So hindi kami binabaha.
Okay.
Yun nga lang, pag bumaha, para kaming isla.
Tama. Ganun din po isa palang teacher ni Joshua sa may Valenzuela. Di ba bumabaha po sa Valenzuela? Pero kaya lang mataas daw sa kanila pero para sa lang isla rin. Di ba bumaha?
Teka, 1 over sine, no? So, negative, tapos
Negative.
parang may sign. Hindi, yan.
YR ano po, ginagamit ba po yung cotangent and cosecant, mga secant? Pampahirap na ba po yun? Hindi ko naman po nakakita ng may use po sila sa mga practical.
Usually, parang mas maikli yung expressions eh. Pag halimbawa meron kang may ginagawa kang math, tapos may mga nagsusuputan na 1 over sine. So, para hindi ka na magsulat ng fraction. Okay. So, yun na yung yun na yung mga fundamental na sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent. Ayun, sige. Cotangent naman.
Actually, parang mahihirapan pa ako dyan. Parang ito yata po is one question. May question yata pong cotangent.
Kino-combine ko lang dito para magkakasama sila.
Okay, so tangent secant squared. Cotangent is cosecant squared. Okay.
Teka, parang may nawawalang sign. Di ba tangent of x can raised to the negative 1?
Kung sa una. Okay. Negative.
Okay.
Tama.
Ayan na. Sige. So, punta na tayo dun sa practice na 1.
Ayun. There.
Okay. Sige, basahin ko muna. So, yung B, 3x to the 5th. Okay. So the 4th. Tapos 5 sine of x, x cosine of x. Two sine of okay, hindi mo nilabas yung 2. Sige. 2 times sine of. So, yung negative sign lang. Plus 5x plus 1 plus 5 cosine x, 5x plus 1 squared. Okay. Tingnan ko yung letter D. 6, 3x plus 5 cosine x to the 5th. 3 minus 5 sine x. Okay. Yung question 2 naman, patingin. So, cotangent of x minus x cosecant squared of x. Tapos, quotient rule talaga.
Actually, kung meron na po yung cotangent, it would be much easier. Pero hindi ko po nagawa.
Although, ano yun eh, I think yung kaya hindi nila ginawa yun kasi baka gusto nila na kesa dumami yung kailangang i-memorize, konti lang. Kasi kapag kuha mo naman yung derivative ng sine, cosine, and tangent, everything else, makukuha mo rin naman dapat eh.
Abo.
Although ano yan, syempre, pagdating mo sa sa later books, papagawa na rin yun. Tingin ko may wisdom din yung yung ganun na wag ka muna magpa-memorize ng marami.
Abo.
Okay. This is for ngayon yung practice now 2. Question 1. Negative 5. So negative 10 sine of 2x plus pi over 4. Okay. And then 2x. 12 secant squared. Okay. 12x secant squared 3x on square root of 3. Okay, sige. Yung letter C naman, yung next. Differentiate with respect to x. Then sine 4x cosine 5x.
Pala po, may po ako dyan. Kung what if we did not use the decimal system, would the same patterns arise? Just different in different forms. Kung hindi po decimal system ginagamit po natin, would similar patterns arise but in different forms?
Anong yung similar patterns? Yung cosine and sine?
Yung mga ganun po. kung hindi po decimal yung system?
Actually, same, ano naman wala namang restriction on ano yung base kapag, at least yung base ng numbers dito sa mga expressions na yan. Siyempre, they'll look uglier kasi, for example, pagka binary, may express mo lang yung 2 at saka yung 5 at 4 at and so on in binary. Pero, they're still the same expressions.
Opo.
Or worse, no? Roman numerals. Okay, 10 sine 4x cosine 5x. So, sinimplify mo yung cosine of pi over 2 minus. Okay, sige. Iniwan ko siya, nung ginawa ko siya nung una, ganda hindi ko na simplify Pero, dahil ang hinihingi ng book, yung sa key, walang so, sige, identities. Okay, teka. Yung next, yung practice now 3. Practice now 2.
Number 2.
Question 2, meron pa. Secant of pi x. Pi x. Bakit? Bakit naging secant of x ito?
Okay, so...
Diba, so, yung tangent of sine of pi x over cosine of pi x, that's tangent of?
Over cosine squared pi x mo.
So, dapat yan? Yung tangent of, so, yung tangent of pi x, secant of pi x.
Minor mistake. Where is it?
Okay, tapos yun sa tangent din, di ba? Apektado yun So, dapat tangent of pi x din yan. Okay. Tapos, so, pi x. Okay. Sige. Yung next, yung practice now 3, patingin. Tangent 2x plus pi over 2, secant squared of 2x plus pi over 2. Okay. So may may chain rule, nagpapa-chain rule na dito, di ba?
Abo.
D 36. Bakit teka. Ayun, cosine of pi over 2 minus 4x. Sige. Sine and then cosine. So, kaya naging ganito. Okay, sige. Next. So, practice now 4. Okay. Cosine of 2x. Plus 2. Teka, bakit ganito yung lumabas? Teka, itingnan mo yung derivative mo. So, yung sa letter A. Practice now for question 1. So, 3 plus cosine of 2x divided 2 cosine of 2x minus sine of 2x, and then negative 2 sine of 2x. Ngayon, yung magkaka 6 cosine of 2x, pero nawawalan ka ng 2 dito. Ayun naman yung expression to the right. Hindi mo na distribute yung 2. So this should be 6 cosine of 2x plus 2. Yeah. Cosine squared of 2x. Tapos, affected yung kasunod. So, ang mangyari, yung sines, yan, okay, mawala yan. Magiging 1. Sorry, magiging 2. Kasi 2 cosine squared plus sine squared eh. Okay, so tapos patingin nung paki-calculate yung value.
Kaya may minor difference. For some reason po, by luck, same pa rin siya. Pero yung kanina po, lalagay ko po ng it's extra. Yung kanina po was 0.206.
Yeah, 20676 yung digits, di ba? So pag ni-round off mo,
magiging 207.
207.
Yung sa una po, dapat 207 din pala. So, pero may minor lang kasi po yung difference yata nung tawag doon.
Actually, yan eh. Yung cosine kasi, yung value kasi, I think x is equal to 0.8. Tingnan mo yung compare mo yung value ng cosine, yung sine of x at saka sine of 0.8 at saka 0.8. So, sine of, punta mo na mag-radian mode muna.
Saka yung rin pala po, yung sine 1.6, 0.99995. So, para siyang 1 din.
Sine of 0.8 is around 0.71 something. Konti lang yung difference na with 0.8 eh. Kaya kita mo yung effect dyan. Pero kung halimbawa yung numbers mo mas malayo, yun, lalaki yung difference. Kasi dito in-evaluate at 0.8 regions eh.
Opo.
Okay, tingnan ko na may number 2. So, 6 cosine squared cosine to the 4th pi over 3. Yeah. Then before that, yung derivative lang muna. 6 cosine squared of 2x. So, nagpunta yun. Times cosine squared of 2x. That's going to give you 6 cosine to the 4th. So, may of 2x. Tapos, may minus 3 sine squared of 2x. Tapos, may times 6. So, negative 6 times 3 sine squared cosine squared of 2x. So, may nawawala. Bakit? So, cosine squared of 2x yan. Kaya, check na natin. 3 cosine squared. Teka. So, left is 6 cosine of 2x, cosine cube, plus right is cosine. Okay, dapat may cosine cube. Right d left yan, di ba? Left d right plus right d left. So, dapat yung meron kang cosine cube of 2x left, D, right. Teka. Ito, paano mo kinuha yan? Left. So left is sige, cosine cube of 2 nabaliktad. Okay, cosine cube of 2x.
Right,
6
right
cosine cube
plus...
okay naman kung ano. Kaya try ko lang intindihan yung saan nanggaling.
Actually,
tapos,
hindi ko po na-lead.
Nawalan, may sine of 2x.
Yan.
Okay, tapos minus 3 6 times 3, sige. Tapos may minus sign. Okay. And then, pag sinubstitute, sige, negative 3. Sige, punta tayo sa 13A1. Five cosine x minus. Ano yung derivative ng tangent of x?
Second squared x.
Okay. Sige. Sa B, 6x plus 4 secant squared. Negative sine 2x plus 4 secant squared of 4x. Yung D naman. Next page. Patingin. 28 cosine 7x minus 1. Negative sine of 7x plus 3 cosine of 3x. 7 secant squared 7x was pi over 4. And then, okay, next page. Yung G. One over square root of 2 cosine of x over square root of 2 minus pi over 3. Tapos, yung lalabas, negative, positive. Okay. Yung number 2, 13A2. Patingin. Cosine x minus 4 sine of x. Plus 6 cosine x sine of x. Okay, next. Then sine to the fourth 2x minus 3 pi. Cosine of 2x minus 3 pi. 3. Okay, so square. 2 sine x minus cosine x square. And then 2 cosine of x plus sine x. Okay, next yung E. x squared secant squared of x. And then 4 sine x, sine 4x, secant squared 4x. Okay, yung number 3 naman, 13A3.
Okay. So, nas na pa rin dito. Talan.
Okay. 4x plus 3. X cosine x plus 3 sine x. Okay. Negative 8x cubed sine 2x plus 12x squared cosine of 2x. 6x squared cosine x minus 2x cubed sine x plus 5 secant squared. Okay, next. Three cosine 5x minus 5 tangent of 3x minus 15x. Okay, secant square of 3x minus 15x. Teka. Teka. May isang okay, ito. 3x cosine of 5x plus cosine of 5x times 3. So, ngayon, minus 5x times 3 secant squared of 3x plus 5 tangent of 3x. Okay. So, saan na yun? Minus 5 tangent of 3x. 3 cosine of 5x minus 15x secant squared. Okay, teka. Saan yung 5x? May 15 sine of 5x, di ba? Saan galing yun?
15 ano po? Minus 15.
Yung yung last term nung letter D. Yung 15 sine of 5x.
Yung sa brackets po. Ano po?
Oh.
From 3x times...
Anong multiply? 3x times negative 5 sine of 5x. So, may nawawalang x. Yung last term.
Sure. Malagay.
So, that may x dyan. Or, gawa kong parenthesis tapos tabihan mo ng x para mas madaling mabasa. Yeah. Okay. And then E, negative 2 cotangent of 2x cosecant of 2x. Okay. And then F is negative 3 cosecant squared of 3x. Okay. Yung number 4, patingin.
Repeated. Yes. Why?
Square cube. Tapos, simplify lang yung nasa curly brackets.
Real.
Okay.
Oh. Ano? Ini lang. Pwede ba lang balik
Yeah. Some costs. Okay.
This meeting is being recorded.
Okay. Wait. Left, D, right. Ano derivative ng tangent squared of x plus pi? Okay, so bababa yung power and then yung derivative which is secant squared of x plus pi. So yan yung first term. And then, okay. Okay. Hi, dito. Okay. Bakit nga pala hindi mo ginagawa yung dead box na lang? Baka mas madaling ano yun. Mas madaling gawin. cosine of x. Ay, zero. Okay. Sige. Number 5 naman. Ayan, nawala yung number 5. Kaya, saan napunta yung number 5? Hello?
Muted. Mute po. Hindi ko pa po nagawa yung number 5.
Sige. Tingnan ko muna yung, tingnan ko muna, nagawa mo na yung 6, pero yung 5 hindi pa.
Hindi pa po.
Sige. Okay, sige. Tingnan ko muna yung number 6, tapos i-save natin yung number 5 for next time na lang.
Opo. Ilan po? PQ. I'm writing PSQ. Okay. Negative.
Mhm.
Funny. Okay. What number is this?
Plus PQ cosine of PX.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Red box. Epic. Where's B? B. There. Why? Is x equals x equals x plus, oh no. X forgot the curly braces. Wait. B. B equals BX. La 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 la.
Tapos, tingnan mo yung cosine of x, pwede siyang mag-combine.
The cosine of x. Oh, okay. La 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 la. This one is going to the trash bin. Here. Okay, good. Oh no! This is number 5. Wait. Next sign. How did you do the other one? Ah, yes, that's me to do.
Yeah, so x.
Okay. So, this one. Purge. Negative. Purge.
Teka. Yung, ang ibig sabihin niyan, di ba, sine of a over x. Or sine evaluated at a over x. So, dapat cosine of a over x lang. And then,
Okay. So, no, where did it go? Okay, so, A2. Wait.
tapos, di ba, left d, right d, left ang ginagawa mo?
X lang? Bata? Sige. Okay, X. No need. Plus,
Teka. Ganito. Kalimutan mo muna yan. Stop first. Sulat mo muna yung let y, tingnan mo yung sulat mo yung let y be equal to sine of g. Tingnan mo yung g of x. So y equals sine of g of x. Tingnan mo muna yung set up mo yun. Hindi, this is separate, this is a simpler problem. It's not the same. Kaya ako consider y equals sine of g of x. Ano derivative niyan?
G.
So, chain rule, di ba?
cosine.
So, g of x multiplied by
G prime x.
Okay. Ngayon, kung ang g of x ay a over x,
Okay, so derivative of Wait. If sine A over X. I mean, wait. Sine A over X. A over X itself.
Is G. Diba?
Hmm. Okay, so yes, yun lang.
Yun. Wait, ano yung, sorry, A over X is G.
Oh wait, okay, so the derivative of this
Ano
one.
derivative ng G with respect to X? Ayan. So, yan yung derivative ng sine of A over X.
Okay, so therefore, actual dy dx is equal to x this thing. Plus the sine A over X. Okay, there. Done. Is equal to negative A over X. Ah, wait. Sine A over X minus A over X plus sine A over X. And then that is done.
Yeah, yun na.
Field, transparent, snug glass. Ready.
Okay. Anyway, since 6:12 na, we'll stop here. Tapos pwedeng ituloy mo yan at saka yung number 5. Tapos kung ano yung magawa mo. Tapos tingnan ko on Tuesday. Thursday. Thursday yung schedule natin, di ba?
Apo.
Okay. Sige, so I'll see you again on Tuesday.
Okay
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.